Okay, greetings everyone and welcome to the final exam intro video for our Read 960 course. So, this is actually just a very brief intro video because once you're done with this, you will exit out of this video and go to the next one, which is one that I recorded for my summer section. And so you will notice some differences between what the summer students were expected to do versus what you are expected to do. And the reason for the differences is that they only had 7 weeks of content, and so everything was smushed together much faster. And they actually did not read the entire book. We left out 2 of the chapters in the summer course that we had the time to do in our class. So because of that, there were a few changes that I made to the final exam. So let me go over those quickly, and then I'll leave you to be watching that PowerPoint and that video. Okay, so first, as I said before, we read the whole book. So the chart has been updated to reflect that. And so you'll see as I go over the chart in the other video, you will see that there are 2 chapters missing. In the summer course, we did not read chapter 3 or chapter 9, which we ended with this semester. So the chart is updated to include every single chapter so that you can fill out the chart thoroughly. Next, you are required to use 6 chapters to illustrate. So in the video, I talk about that they have to use 5, but remember the changes are that you have to use 6 because you did have the chance to read the entire book. Again, the chart is updated, the instructions are updated, everything is updated to reflect that, but you will hear me talk about that in the video. So just please write down and note these changes. Next, the only other change from the video that you'll watch is that because it was a summer course, I talk about you should be reflecting on who you were on June 15th, 2020. Obviously, that's when my summer course started last summer. So instead, you will be reflecting on who you were in January or at the beginning of our course this semester. So no matter what semester this is, you should be thinking about who you were in the beginning of week 1, day 1 of this current semester in our course. The PowerPoint, this PowerPoint is what you have been given access to in the web file, so it has been updated to reflect all of these changes. And so at this point, I'm going to let you go ahead and watch the video that I made to discuss the final exam for my summer course. It discusses everything so well, and I did such a good job on it that I really felt that there was no need to redo it, that everything held true except for those couple things. So hopefully you wrote those down, and at this point, this video will be over and you will jump to the second video, which is actually where I go through the entire exam. Okay.